Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some happy mail today, and it's coming from two wonderful people. One is Zenobia and the other is Gina S, who is G Dog, and all the fabulous names. So I did participate in one of her challenges, Zenobia's, and I'm thinking this is, I don't know. But anyway, this is what the pouch looks like. And we shall see. I wasn't expecting this. Really wasn't expecting this. But thank you so much, Zenobia. Her challenge giveaway has been over for a while. Oh. What is in there? Oh, look at this. A little twin star. How cute. And she had a really good turnout. A number of people participated. It was for a good cause, and yeah, go check out Zenobia. I'll leave her link in the description box below. What is this wonderful? Oh, that's cute. She just put a little hey sticker with the little pre-made card. And let me just see what this, okay, my hands don't want to work. My hands are not wanting to work at all. How cute. Look at her sticker. Craft at home. Craft at Home by Zenobia. How cute. Entering my challenge. I loved your mem decks you made. I hope you like what I made in return. Friend, I was not expecting anything in return. I just wanted to support you and, participate in your wonderful challenge. But look at this goodie bag. I have some goodie bags like this. This is from Hobby Lobby. So retro. I love it. And seeing all this wonderful goodies in here. She made this on her video. I didn't think she was going to send it to me, but this is so cute. Hello, kitty. A pirate's life for me. I love it. It's so cute. She did a great job. Oh my gosh. This is so awesome. She got the pretty little Hello Kitty bow on the bottom. And she's got the little pirate. She's dressed as a pirate. A black and white bead. Oh, this is so cute. I sent in the key chain with the heart and this pen right here. And look at what she came with. Strawberry shortcake and Care Bears. How cool is that? She's got strawberry shortcake here. She's got the Care Bears here. Such a pretty pen. Look at that. So cute. Perfect match. And I sent in this pen for her. Honestly, I thought she was going to keep these and what do you call them? Sell these for supporting, or to support that charity that she was trying to help out. So that is a beautiful happy mail, and she did such an awesome job putting that together. I love it, Zenobia. Thank you so much, friend. You did not have to send me anything back at all. And then the next thing is from Gina. And oh my God, she told me that she was sending me something. And I was like, girl, you gotta send me nothing. But she just wanted to show her support and love for Ebony and I, who do our lives together, and really just for making her smile on Sundays, on Tuesdays, on Thursdays. But anyway, get her cute little sticker. Happy mail has arrived. That is so cute. I love that. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh, somebody went to Daiso. Yes. Look at that. Oh, she put a little note. Picked up the bags from Japan. Oh, and from South Korea. The 3D stickers for you. Enjoy, my friend. Just a little note. Now, Gigi. She loves that, Gigi. So cute. You guys. Yeah, she had taken off to go visit her family in Japan. Her family member is a military active duty, so they're stationed out in Japan. Look at how cute. And it says, I love Tiny Chum. Tiny Chum. I guess that's the little bear. Tiny Chum. How cute. You guys. So cute. I was trying to encourage her to come on the live with us. She's not ready yet, but we tell her every time. She is always ready. Whenever she's ready, she's always welcome. So So she got this from Korea, South Korea, on her way home. And the stickers, wait, pick up the bags from Japan and South Korea, the 3D stickers. Okay, so this is Japan. Oh, I just realized it says popcorn. Oh my God, Eileen. And these are the stickers. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh, it's very dimensional. That is so cool. Oh, like, look at that. Hello Kitty, Daniel, and I forgot her name. Hello Kitty's sister starts, I think it was with an M. Muffin? Molly? Something, I don't remember. But Daniel, so cute. Thank you so much, Gina. I will leave these ladies' links in the description box. Gina does share a lot on Instagram. She did start doing YouTube videos, but because she went on her trip, you know, kind of put her back a little bit. So she's just getting started, guys. So be very patient with her on YouTube. But if you're really curious as to what Gina creates and what she's up to, check out her Instagram. And like I said, in the description box below, I'll have all her links and also Zenobia's. And I just want to say a big thank you to these wonderful ladies for even thinking of me. I've never asked for anything, and you all, I really appreciate when you send these little happy mails. It's so super cute. Yeah, and they will get used. So just remember, I like to use my stuff. Anyway, thank you all for joining, and I hope to see you all on the next crafty video. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and join the crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. Thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.